Now let's press Save and Next. This moves us from window C into window D. Right away, we're going to scroll down and tap Add Custom Row. In this example, we're going to name it Distance to Electrical Outlet. Next, we want to position it where it makes the most sense in our workflow. To do that, we simply grab the row using the hamburger icon on the side and drag it up underneath our core window measurements. Now it sits exactly where we want it. At this point, we're going to save this setup as a template. So we tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Then we tap the Custom Template icon. From here, you'll see options to save as new template or reset to default. We'll choose to save it, confirm the pop-up, and now this layout, including our custom row, is saved as our template. From here, we go ahead and capture our measurements like normal. And in this example, you can see we're measuring from the bottom of the window down to the electrical outlet. This is one of those extra dimensions that can be really helpful depending on the job. As we capture it here, that measurement comes in at 22.5 inches. Simple, but important. And now it's documented right alongside the rest of the window data. And once we press Save and Next, something important happens. As we move into the next window, you'll see that the template automatically loads, including the custom row in the exact position we placed it. Every new window you create will now follow this same structure. And that's where the flexibility of the app really comes in. One of the powerful features in the app is that you can reorder your measurements however you like. There's no fixed way you have to follow. It's built to match how you measure in the field. For example, in this first setup, we've moved the 3 height measurements above the 3 widths. So if you prefer to measure heights first and then move into widths, you can organize your form exactly that way. In another example, we've completely mixed the measurements together. You can see the pattern here: 1 width, 1 height, 1 width, 1 height, and so on. Maybe that's how you've been measuring for years, and it just feels natural to you. No problem. You can set it up that way and save it as your template. And here's one more variation. Let's say when you're measuring widths, you prefer to start at the bottom, then move to the middle, and finish at the top. You can rearrange those fields into that exact order as well. The key idea is this. Over time, you can tailor the form to match exactly how you like to measure. And when the form matches your natural workflow, everything becomes faster, easier, and more consistent across every job.